Hey guys, this actually belongs to my uncle. We actually bought this for him years ago, and it is home interior, and I think it is so cool because it has the little dog on the back of it. And I just thought I would show it to you guys because I find it really neat. We actually have one just like this too at our house. I remember getting this for him a little bit, but not a whole lot because it was a very long time ago. Anyway, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell notification. That way you always know of our upcoming videos. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.